Elevating your hands unloads your body weight, allowing you to do more reps. The higher the elevation, the easier it is, but it also targets your lower pecs more, much like a decline pressing angle, so it should be a staple in your training regardless of fitness level. I love using an aerobic step with adjustable risers as it allows for micro progression by seamlessly adjusting one riser up or down to make it easier or harder as needed. Gradually work your way to the floor over time. Pro tip, try doing 100 total reps in as few sets as possible. Once you can reach the century mark in 5 sets or less, decrease the elevation and repeat the process. You must first master the plank before you can master the push-up. The first goal is to be able to plank on the hands for at least 1 minute. The second goal is to be able to hold it for 2 minutes. Focus on your breathing, mixing between deep inhales through the nose and full exhales through the mouth. Push your hands underground to maximally protract or push away the scapula and activate the serratus anterior muscles alongside the ribs. Pro tip, try following sets of max reps push-ups with a plank hold to extend the time under tension and build next level stamina and endurance. And try the EHO method for fast results. Every hour on the hour, plank for at least 30 to 60 seconds. Your muscles are much stronger while stretching or lengthening the eccentric phase than they are contracting or shortening the concentric phase. So eccentric-only training is the place to start for floor push-ups. Lower slowly and smoothly for 3 to 5 seconds until you reach the floor, then bend your legs and come back up on the knees. Employ a deep and sustained inhale through the nose into the belly during the descent, and then exhale back up. Pro tip, do 3 sets of 3-second negatives 2 to 3 times per week, resting 2 to 3 minutes between sets. Each week, add 1 set per session. Once you can do 5 sets of 3-second negatives, repeat this 3-week process with 4-second negatives, and so forth. Once you can do 5 sets of 5-second negatives, you're ready to do your first push-up. That's right, you're only 9 weeks away from rep number 1. This variation is only cheating when it's not planned. Partial reps have their place when you're looking to strengthen certain ranges of motion of an exercise. It also gets you used to the floor push-up, even if you can't go chest to floor just yet. For advanced trainees, try doing 30s, 10 bottom half reps, 10 full range reps, and 10 top half reps. Pro tip, start using a big med ball and going chest to ball. Progress to a basketball or volleyball. Progress further to a softball and then a tennis ball. In other words, start with a big ball and gradually move to a smaller ball over time. This variation has been disparaged over the years due to dogmatic fitness experts claiming it decreases core contribution. But that's as stupid as saying doing a side plank on the knees is bad. All we're doing here is playing with leverage, and that's the name of the game when it comes to bodyweight training. Bending the knees unloads your body weight and decreases the spinal stabilization demands. It will also allow you to do full range reps using a floor angle as you work to bridge the gap. It may be easier, but it's not easy, especially for 25 to 50 plus reps. Pro tip, try following max reps regular push-ups with max reps push-ups on the knees for a simple but deadly drop set. The pump is precious. Wrapping a mini band above your elbows during push-ups accomplishes 3 key things. 1, it auto-corrects your form, forcing you to keep your elbows at the ideal 30 to 45 degree angle from your trunk to protect your shoulders. 2, it activates your upper mid-back muscles more. And 3, it slingshots or assists you out of the bottom of the push-up because it stretches during the descent. Pro tip, do 1 to 3 sets of 10 to 20 reps to warm up for your next chest day. It's the gift that keeps on giving for bum shoulders. The dip is an advanced push-up progression as your shoulders are at an extreme joint angle, full extension. But a self-assisted dip is easier than a floor push-up, and you can use as much or little assistance from your legs as needed to execute the reps. I also love this variation for larger or older trainees who have a hard time getting up and down from the floor. It's truly as hard as you make it, plus it will build next level tricep strength, the limiting factor for most push-up struggles. Pro tip, try sets of 2 minutes. Start using little to no assistance. As you fatigue, begin to use more leg assistance to stay in the motion. The muscle pumps are epic as you auto-regulate the difficulty and develop insane mind-muscle connections. Attaching one end of a band to a stable vertical anchor point, like a pull-up bar or power rack, and the other end around your hips creates a slingshot effect out of the bottom of the push-up where it's most challenging. As the band stretches, it assists you more. Expect little to no assistance at the top of the push-up. Pro tip, start with a heavier band for sets of 10 to 15 reps. Once you can do multiple sets of 15 plus reps, progress to the next lightest band and repeat until you're using just your body weight. Stiff, painful wrists tend to make push-ups a non-starter for many trainees. But elevating the heel of your hands on slant boards can give you an immediate workaround while you improve your wrist mobility behind the scenes. It's like doing heels elevated squats when you have poor ankle mobility. Another benefit is that it extends the range of motion for a deeper chest stretch. The bigger the stretch, the greater the muscle gain stimulus. Pro tip, work on your wrist mobility as a filler between sets of push-ups. Your push-up prowess will only go as far as your wrist will take you. After all, it's a small, delicate joint that's being asked to support your entire body weight. This is a level 1 exercise in the Ultimate Push-Up Guide available as a Kindle or paperback on Amazon. Please be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and have a great day. Peace.